Good evening, everyone. The highlights of the news this Thursday. Traffic accident. A Beaver County man is being held for murder. And more labor.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Basically today we're gonna be picking up right where we left off, dude, and finishing up this side molding and finishing up these little pieces that go on the door. I don't even know what the fuck they're called, but ooh, I got them all painted already, dude. They're ready to go. We just gotta slap them on the car. I'm not gonna show you quite yet, but I will tell you, if you were following me on Instagram, I've already posted up pictures of this stuff, so you'd already seen it. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, dog, if you want to keep up with what's going on in between the episodes. That's the best way to do it, dude. I also have Snapchat and Facebook and anyhow, guys, before we jump right into this, there's something I want to check out first, and it's something to do with my transmission. Damn, boy, look how beautiful she is, man. Just sparkles. Look at that. Look at that shit, boy. Look at that hardware. What's up? What's up? She ain't that pretty on the inside, though. But I feel like that's the problem with most women, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Anyhow, guys, I just recently learned that there's a way that you can confirm what transmission it is that you have. I'm gonna go ahead and go through the sequence and try to confirm what transmission I've got here. Damn, there it is. Woo, man, I'm already sweating and I haven't even done nothing yet, bro. Jeez. Anyhow, if you guys want to learn that little trick on how to tell exactly what transmission that you have, this works for B series, D series, I'm pretty sure whatever transmission it is that you got. I just recently learned this by watching my homeboy's video, dog. Bluecollar Vtec, go check him out, dude. The link's gonna be in the description below. I'm putting a little iCard right here on the screen. Son of a bitch. Gotta put this heavy motherfucker back over here. Woo! Back to what we're doing.
I want you to understand something, that when I come up in this bitch, I want the fans jumping, I want the fist pumping in the air. I don't look like a millionaire, but I feel like $1 million bucks. Ladies, won't you fill your cup? Shady.
See now, guys, I got these things all painted yesterday, and I painted them within enough time that they're nice and dry, so that we're able to go ahead and get them installed on the car now. So, and as far as mounting, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use these stainless steel screws with the beauty washers. Like I mentioned in the last video, it's the same stuff that we use on the windows here for all the Lexan windows around the hatch. And I did not end up going with the stacked holes, you know. I mentioned in the last video I was gonna do 1, 2, and then 1, 1, 2, 1. I ended up just doing a single hole, and the spacing is the same spacing that's on the windows. I have it all taped up and it looks pretty straight to me, dude. I double checked it and I triple checked it. So what I did here, obviously to get it straight, basically you have the little back portion and the front portion, and I taped it up there where it looked kind of straight by eyeballing it, and then I used this straight edge to make sure they lined up, you know, basically to butt it up against the bottom of both so that we don't end up having something, you know, kind of like this. As long as this is squared with the straight edge and this side is squared with the straight edge together, then I know that these two pieces are basically going in a straight line. So therefore, it's on there straight. So now it is time to just send it, bro. Time to drill into the body. What can I say? Need to get a new drill set, you know that? Ever since, because I had this Porter cable set, I mean, they work great, don't get me wrong, they work great. It's just I only have one drill. My other drill, I was at the junkyard and somebody, long story short, somebody jacked me. Anyhow, yeah, I'm drilling one hole at a time, taking the drill bit out, putting this star tip, security tip in, and then putting the screw in, and then putting the drill bit back in the drill, drilling the hole, then switching the bit, and then drilling the hole, and oh my God! Well, it is finished. And here it is. I'm not gonna show you guys just yet because we still have one more thing we gotta do, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and put this side piece on, and then we'll look at what it looks like all together as a whole, with, you know, all the hardware and holy shit. And yeah, it is a little bit busy. It's cool. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna show you here in a minute. Let's get this on the car. Fucking Mustang. If I had to be 100% honest, I don't like it. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Alright. Well, I'm tired of being the only one that sees it, so it's time to show you guys. Now, yeah, dude. I don't like it. Damn it. You see, from this angle right here, like, I kind of dig it. It looks okay. I don't know, like, obviously, like, the fenders and everything is gonna change the look of this completely. But but whenever I get, like, kind of more over here, I guess, is where I don't really care for it. Like, I guess it doesn't look horrible. I mean, it came out, like, I mean, the pieces came out really clean, like. The door pieces I like. The door pieces look good. I honestly think that it's just too much going on, bro. Like, it's way too busy, bro. It's just way too busy. Now, there is another option, and I'm gonna put up another poll. Let me know what you think. Most certainly put it in the comment section down below. And I'm gonna put up a poll as to whether you think we should leave it. Looks good the way it is. Should we pull it off, scrap this whole idea, maybe do a giveaway with these things? Maybe somebody, you know, wants them. Or, well, if we pull those off, then we'd put, you know, OEM, which I'm gonna tell you guys somebody needs to send me some OEM side molding that's in good condition, because I don't want to spend the money on it. I'd rather spend the money on the engine. Or option number 3, which I think is probably gonna be the best idea out of all of them, because it's not gonna cost me anything, is pull all the hardware back off and just paint the hardware black. There's an idea. I still have a whole nother side of the car to do. You see, I don't know, man. I think, see, now this just looks so much better to me. It looks so much better to me without the black line. You see, no black line, no side molding at all. Black line, side molding. Son of a... Alright guys, that's today's video, dude. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please smash that like button. On the last video, you guys killed it on the likes, man. I don't know exactly where it's at. I'd have to run in there and check it out. Damn, bro, we're at 4,000 views right now with 738 likes. Like, that is, I mean, that is that close to 2 for every 10. Mind blown, guys. Thank you so much, man. That really does mean the world to me. I don't think you guys understand how much just that little click, that like button helps spread the channel and potentially get to more people who couldn't possibly like what we're putting down here, man. That really does help me out tremendously, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys. So of course, if you feel like doing it again, smash that like button on this one. Most certainly let me know what you guys think of the side moldings. Let me know your opinion. Hit that comment section down below. Go check out Bluecollar, Vtec, man. Subscribe to his channel, dude, for real. If we can get him to 500 subscribers by Friday, I'm gonna be putting out another video on Friday, so I'll be letting you guys know, obviously. If we can get him to 500 subscribers by Friday, I'll do my entire store, all my stickers, 50% off through the weekend. How's that sound? If you guys get him up to 500 subscribers by Friday, that's only 300 of you. Go click that subscribe button and check out his content. Then through the weekend, I'll put my entire store 50% off. Anything you guys want to buy, you know what I'm saying? So I'll make sure if you guys hit the goal, I'll give you guys a code you can put in on the website and get your prices cut in half. So peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for your support. I'll see you on the next one. And that's about all I have to say. Later.
I took that trip, and then she pulled out my mushroom pants. And when it came out, it went drip, drip, drip. I didn't know she had the G.I. Joe.